How to delete all photos from Google Photos. In this short video, I'll guide you through the quickest and easiest way to delete all your photos from Google Photos. Have you ever tried clearing out your Google Photos, only to get stuck deleting images one by one? It can be frustrating and time-consuming. But don't worry, this method will save you a ton of time and effort. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users clean up their digital storage, streamline their photo libraries, and free up valuable space. Stay with me until the end to discover the step-by-step guide to efficiently delete all your photos from Google Photos on mobile and PC. Now, let's get started. To start, open photos.google.com in your web browser and log into your account. Hover over the first photo in your library until a checkmark appears. Click the checkmark to select the photo. Use the scroll bar, or for faster navigation, use the page down key on your keyboard to scroll to the last photo. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last photo to select everything in between. Next, click the trash icon in the top right corner. Confirm your decision by clicking Move to Trash in the pop-up window. On the left-hand menu, click Trash. Click Empty Trash in the top right corner. Confirm your decision and all photos will be permanently deleted. For mobile users, open the Google Photos app, press and hold on the first photo, then slide your finger to select multiple images. Tap the trash icon to delete them. To permanently delete, navigate to Library, then select Trash, followed by selecting the items, and confirm deletion. Here's a quick scrolling trick for mobile users. Use the scroll bar on the right or the drag slider at the top to jump to the bottom of your gallery for faster selection. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's move on to how you can ensure every unwanted photo is deleted. Before clearing your library, consider backing up essential photos by doing the following. In Google Photos, go to Settings, then Backup and Sync. Choose the folders or items you want to save to backup. Once you're certain everything important is backed up, follow the steps outlined earlier to permanently clear your storage. To explore more Google Photos video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.